Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Freshchat SDK in Flutter step by step clearly. Open your Flutter project in your preferred code editor. Ensure you have the latest Flutter SDK installed on your machine. Navigate to the pubspec.yaml file in your project. Add the Freshchat SDK dependency to the dependencies section. Set the version to the latest release available on pub.dev. Save the pubspec.yaml file. Open your terminal and run the command to get the new package. Once the package is installed, create a configuration file for Freshchat. In this file, you will define your app ID and key. Import the Freshchat SDK in your main.dart file. Initialize the Freshchat SDK in the main function of your app. Set up the Freshchat configuration using the parameters from the configuration file. Add the Freshchat widget wherever you want in your app's UI. Make sure to set up the proper permissions in Android for using the SDK. For iOS, ensure the appropriate settings are configured in the info.plist file. Test the integration on both Android and iOS devices. Check the console for any errors during the initialization and user events. Once completed, you should see the Freshchat interface in your app. Your Freshchat SDK installation in Flutter is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.